Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I want to talk about something that touches all of us, whether we notice it or not. It's about how we live our lives in this world of social media. So let me ask you a question that might make you stop and think. Are you living or are you just posting? Let's be real for a moment. How many times today have you scrolled through your feed, seen someone's perfect vacation picture, their big job news, or their happy relationship and thought, why isn't my life like that? If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. I've been there too. We all have. But here's the thing. Social media isn't real life. It's just the best parts, the highlights. And when we compare our everyday lives to someone else's best moments, we end up feeling like we're not enough. So let me ask you again, are you living or are you just posting? Because if you're spending more time trying to get the perfect photo for likes than actually enjoying the moment, it's time to think about how you use social media. I'm not here to tell you to delete your accounts or stop using the internet. That's not realistic, and it's not the point. What I am saying is this. Don't let your life become a show. Don't let trying to get the perfect post take away from the joy of just being in the moment. Because here's the truth. The moments that matter most, the ones that really change us, often happen when no one is watching. They happen when we're fully there, fully alive, and not worried about how it will look online. Think about it. When was the last time you did something just for you? Not for the Instagram, not for the likes, but just because it made you happy? When was the last time you put your phone down and really connected with the people around you? These are the moments that matter. These are the moments we'll remember. So, I challenge you today, start living for yourself, not for your followers. Post less, live more. Share the real you, not just the perfect version. And most importantly, stop comparing your everyday life to someone else's highlights. Your life isn't a competition. It's your story, and it's yours alone to live. Let's make a promise to ourselves. From now on, we'll use social media as a tool, not a trap. We'll focus on making memories, not just content. And we'll remember that the best moments in life are the ones we feel deeply, not just the ones we post online. So, I'll leave you with this final question. Are you living or are you just posting? The answer is up to you. And so is your life. Let's make it a great one. Thank you.